Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in East Horsley in Surrey and looking forward to showing you around this multi-purpose family room, self-contained, and it's got a bar. I love it. So we installed this building around about September of last year, 24. We weren't party to being involved with the gazebo out the front. That's been retrofitted, but part of the overall design. We're working with Renson to do these. This is another brand called Nova, but a really nice combination idea. We've done one similar like this before, the memory room that you may have seen in Surrey before, and that works really well. But let me show you around. This is a bespoke building, 8 meters wide, 3.75 deep internally, just maxing out the 30 square meters allowed. Got the inline sliding doors and the V200 externally in the anthracite, all the things you would expect from us within the 2.5 planning rule. Concrete base done by our contractor TJM, Tom Manville, and then this was already an area sitting out the front here of concrete, so we've utilised that to install the gazebo, which has got the louvered roof. They're a great idea of that additional kind of inside-outside space. But let me take you around inside of this building. It's absolutely furnished beautifully. The rear wall and the side there has been done in a colour called Denims. That's a Farrow and Ball colour, and I love it with this nice oak flooring. It really does pop and have a lovely contrast. We also have a lovely bar. So this bar has been custom made. I'll tag the company in. And then behind the bar is one of our Elfin kitchens. So these are a great company. We use these a lot. So the Elfin kitchenette. This particular one's got a hob. It's got a fridge. And then we've got the cupboards above. You can have all different combinations. Beautiful wooden finishes. The Mitsubishi climate control in black as well. That is a really lovely colour contrast with this white wall and works lovely with the overall. That's from our good friends at Subcool, so thank you for installing that. And then you can see this kind of cupboard space here on the side. Well, it is because it is completely self-contained. So this is a toilet and basin here. Again, all the plumbing was run by us and worked really, really nicely. So really well done there. All the electrics up in that cupboard there. Run by a macerator pump back to the house. Used daily as an office. If I come around the corner here, slowly, you can therefore see there's a 2-person office here, and that is used daily. But look how little space it's taking up. That may be only about 25% of it. So this is also got a TV on the wall there. You can see my reflection in it with this sofa, which is a sofa bed. So the family, the kids are having some overnight stays here and just enjoying the space as a multi-purpose family space. The bar is absolutely beautiful, and I really love the way it kind of juts out. We've done some similar designs to this before, but this one I think works really well, and it's a great use of space. The sofa is huge. You know, you could definitely even grab more space and do more things. Could be a pool table in here and some chairs, but this one I think works really, really nicely. Yeah, so all the usual things from us: internet, the electrics, the plumbing, all fully completed by us. Say the bar was done retrospectively, as was the gazebo. We've also got this additional door here that leads into this space. It kind of integrates you know, the nice kitchen area with the rest of the property and that outside area. All of the glass has got the integrated blinds. That's the Morley brand in these. You've seen these many times before, but this is a unit that sits within there, so that is a really nice addition, gives privacy, and for the light the sun comes round here is then going to be quite in your face here in the evening, so it kind of comes down nicely by having them integrated blinds. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything to show you on this one. A really beautiful project. I love this connection with the gazebo. I think it's really nice and can see us doing more like that. You know, working the design out to integrate that works really nicely. The whole building is within permitted development, including that gazebo, so there was no requirement for planning, and we've got that great multi-purpose self-contained space used daily as an office, but say as families, friends and entertainment. Just a really beautiful building there. So yeah, really proud of this one, really excited to show you it. Let us know your thoughts on this. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.